In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage and auto-update affiliate links across your entire website using a tool called Lasso. One of the biggest problems with affiliate marketing isn't traffic, it's maintenance. Links break, offers change, programs update URLs, and most site owners are stuck digging through old points or messy spreadsheets trying to fix it all manually. I'm Erin from My First Website. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the workflow, it's important to understand what Lasso actually does and why it matters for affiliate sites. Lasso is a WordPress plugin built specifically to centralize affiliate link management. Instead of posting raw affiliate URLs directly into your blog posts and pages, you store each affiliate link once inside Lasso. From that point on, your content doesn't rely on individual URLs. It relies on Lasso as the source of truth. Once a link is inside Lasso, it becomes part of a central control system. This means you're no longer managing affiliate links post by post. You're managing them from one dashboard where you can update URLs, change offers, adjust disclosures, and monitor performance without touching your existing content. This is where Lasso fundamentally changes how affiliate sites scale. Your posts simply reference a Lasso link. Lasso controls where that link points, how it's displayed, and whether it's working correctly. If an affiliate program updates a URL, a product changes, or an offer expires, you fix it once inside Lasso, and that update automatically applies everywhere the link is used across your site. That separation between content and affiliate logic is the key. Your articles stay evergreen, your links stay current, and your site-wide updates become a matter of minutes instead of hours. This is what makes automated updates possible and why Lasso is especially powerful for growing sites with dozens or hundreds of affiliate links. Adding your first affiliate link. Once you understand what Lasso does, the first step is adding your initial affiliate link. So we want to start by grabbing the affiliate URL for the product that you want to promote. This could be an Amazon Associates link or a link from any other affiliate program that you're part of. Next, head into your WordPress dashboard and click on the Lasso plugin in the left-hand menu. In the top right corner, you'll see an option to add a new link. So you want to go ahead and click that. From here, all you need to do is paste your affiliate URL into the field and submit it. As soon as you do that, Lasso creates the link and takes you to the link details page. I want you to think of this page as the home base for that affiliate link. This is where you control how the link looks, how it's displayed, and how it behaves across your site. If you don't already have Lasso installed, you can use the link in the description to get started. Once installed, it appears directly inside of your WordPress dashboard. You can either install it through the WordPress plugin directory by searching for Lasso or by downloading it from your Lasso account and uploading it manually. Once you're inside Lasso, click Add a New Link again to continue. Now it's time to customize the link. First, give the link a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. In this example, I'm naming it after the product itself. Next, you can add an image. This is typically a product image pulled from Amazon or your affiliate partner. Uploading an image here allows Lasso to display the link as a visual box instead of just plain text. Below that, you'll see a description field. This is where you can add a short summary of the product. You don't need to overdo this. Even a single bullet point or short description is enough to give readers context. You will also notice an option for badge text. This lets you add a small label like staff pick or recommended, which appears visually on the link display and can help draw attention. If you're using Amazon, pricing can be pulled automatically through the Amazon API once it's connected. If it's not connected yet, that's why pricing may not appear, and that's completely fine. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes, and just like that, your affiliate link is stored inside of Lasso, ready to be reused, updated, and managed from one place across your entire site. Step 2, customizing your link in the details page. Now that your link is added, this is where it actually becomes useful. Inside the link details page, you'll see a few key fields, and each one plays a role in how that affiliate link works across your site. The first is the name. This is just for you. It doesn't show publicly, so the goal here is clarity. Use a name you'll instantly recognize later, especially once you have dozens of links stored. Next is the primary URL. This is your main affiliate link, the one that tracks clicks and commissions. Below that, you'll see an option for a secondary URL. This is optional and only available on the paid plan, but it's useful if you want to give visitors two choices. For example, one button that goes to a review and another that goes directly to the product page. Then there's the image section. You can upload a product image from your media library or paste in an image URL. This is what allows Lasso to display clean visual link boxes instead of just text links, which usually leads to higher engagement. Below that, you'll see fields for price and description. This is where you can add quick context, maybe a price range, a free trial mention, or a short explanation of why you recommend the product. You don't need to write a sales pitch here, just enough information to help the link stand out and feel intentional. You also need a disclosure option. Lasso includes a default affiliate disclosure automatically, but if you want to customize the wording to match your site or stay extra compliant, you can do that right here. Finally, there are display settings. This is where you decide what shows up on the front end, whether the price appears, whether the description is visible, and whether the disclosure is known. You're not locked into one format. You have full control over how each link is displayed. So once everything looks good, just click Save Changes in the bottom right, and at this point, your affiliate link isn't just stored, it's fully configured and ready to be used anywhere on your site. Step 3, displaying affiliate links in posts. Now that your link is fully set up inside Lasso, the next step is actually using it inside your content. When you're editing a blog post in WordPress, you don't paste the affiliate URL directly anymore. Instead, you insert the Lasso link. This is an important distinction because it's what allows Lasso to manage and update links site-wide later. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, click the plus icon to add a new block and search for Lasso. From there, you can choose how you want the link displayed. You'll see options like a full product box with an image and call to action button, a simple button, or a linked image. Once you select the display type, you can choose the affiliate link you already created in Lasso. The link is inserted automatically without you touching the raw URL. Behind the scenes, WordPress is inserting a shortcode that references the Lasso link, not the affiliate URL itself. That's what keeps everything centralized. If you're using the classic editor, the process is just as simple. Click the Lasso icon in the toolbar, choose your display type, select your link, and insert it. Lasso handles the rest for you. When you publish or update the post, the affiliate link appears exactly how you configured it, clean, professional, and fully managed from one place. Step 4, using text links the easy way. Not every affiliate link needs to be a big display box. Sometimes you just want a simple text link inside a sentence, and Lasso handles that too. To do this, highlight the text you want to turn into a link, then click the normal link icon in WordPress. So instead of pasting a long affiliate URL, start typing the name of your Lasso link. You'll see it appear in the search results labeled as Lasso link. Select it and you're done. To the reader, this looks like normal hyperlink, but behind the scenes, it's still controlled by Lasso. That means if the destination URL ever changes, you update it once inside of Lasso, and every text link across your site will update automatically. This is especially useful for long-form content where affiliate links are woven naturally into paragraphs instead of standing out as banners. Step 5, turn words into links automatically. This is where Lasso really starts saving you time. Let's say you already published dozens of posts and you've mentioned a product or service multiple times, but you never linked it. Normally, fixing that would mean opening each post and editing them one by one. With Lasso, you don't have to. Inside the link details page, there is an option to add saved keywords. These are words or phrases you want Lasso to watch for across your site, like a product name or brand. So once you add a keyword, Lasso scans your entire website and shows you every place that phrase appears without a link. From there, you can choose to monetize those mentions by connecting them to the correct affiliate link, and within one click, Lasso can automatically turn those existing mentions into affiliate links across all posts. This is one of the biggest advantages of managing links centrally. You're not just adding links going forward, you're upgrading your existing content without rewriting it. The auto update proof. This is where the auto update part really matters. So let's say an affiliate program changes a URL, the product page moves, or an offer expires. Normally, you'd have to dig through every post on your site to fix those links manually, but with Lasso, you don't touch your posts at all. So what you do is you update the destination URL once inside the Lasso dashboard, and that change automatically applies everywhere the link appears across your site. Whether that link is in a product box, a text link, or a keyword mention, it updates instantly. So this is what turns affiliate link management from a maintenance nightmare into a system that scales. Step 6, organize with groups and grids. As your site grows, you'll probably end up promoting multiple tools in the same category, like hosting, providers, email platforms, or software you recommend regularly. Lasso lets you organize those links into groups. You can create a group, add related affiliate links to it, and then display that group as a grid inside a post or resources page. Instead of manually building comparison tables or lists, Lasso automatically formats everything for you. This also makes updates easier. If you ever replace one tool with another, you you update the link inside the group. Not every post that references it. Groups are especially useful for roundup posts, tools I use pages, and evergreen recommendation pages. Management versus manual. At this point, the difference should be clear. Without a tool like Lasso, affiliate links live inside your posts. That means every update, fix, or change requires manual work. With Lasso, your posts don't own the links, they reference them. Lasso controls where links point, how they're displayed, and whether they're working. That separation is what makes affiliate sites manageable as they grow, tracking what works and what doesn't. So once your links are live, Lasso helps you understand what's actually performing. Inside the dashboard, you can see which links are getting clicked, which ones aren't, and whether any links are broken or missing images. You can also connect Lasso to Google Analytics to track affiliate link clicks as events. This gives you real data instead of guessing, and you can identify which products resonate with your audience, which placements work best, and which links might need to be updated or replaced. Over time, this helps you focus on what's driving revenue and clean up what isn't. And that's how you manage and auto-update affiliate links across your entire website using Lasso. Instead of manually fixing links every time an offer changes or a URL breaks, you add links once, control them from a single dashboard, and let Lasso handle the updates site-wide for you. This is what turns affiliate marketing from something that's hard to maintain into a system that actually scales. Your content stays evergreen, your links stay current, and you're not wasting time fixing things that should be automated. If you want to try this out yourself, you can use the link below to get started with Lasso. I'm Erin from My First Website. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.